I think it did all right out here. It's a little clumpy because it just rained, but as soon as I can get it disted, I'm sure it'll all level out and it'll be all right. Key idea is you want the RPMs enough whenever you're plowing in second or third or however you usually do it. You want your RPMs high enough that it'll throw that dirt over there beside the pass you just made so it all looks even. But there's some places out here that it just ain't, because that plow I got's about as wore out can get. But using it till it wears out, and we'll see how much longer that is. I guess. The old way of doing things for sure. And like I said, talking about it, whenever you get to the end of the road, you got to pull up on this and take it out of gear. You can back up without pulling this string. It'll straighten the disc, and then you turn with it. But whenever you get straight again, sometimes you got to put it in reverse and pull up on this string, take the tension off, and then hold it up and count your notches if you want to go in 3 or 4, or wherever you want to set the disc at to start cutting. And then you let it go. Take some hand-eye coordination a little bit. It takes a whole lot longer too. And you just start making wide passes with it. You can't cut it too hard. Most of the time, like in a great big field, you can just go around and around and around in circles, and it makes you appreciate a 3-point hitch disc a whole lot more.